Welcome to the Pub Crawl channel 2018. Dad and I.
And we're going to review this brew. We'll try it and see how it goes.
Golden. 2 birds, mate. This sounds alright. How's she look?
Well, we'll tip her and we'll see. Looking right so far.
Oh yeah.
I think you got the biggest half.
Oh, excellent.
Cheers.
Probably got the biggest guts. Cheers.
A bit rough after the other stuff we had, but nice. It's okay.
That is quite nice.
Quite nice.
That is quite nice.
Yeah.
Where's she from, mate?
She's a toasted malt, stone fruit with citrus hops.
Heaps. Bit of basketball beer.
Yeah. There's the brew.
Rightio. And what is it? Is it a 1.1 standard drinks?
She's heavy.
Yep.
Yeah, we're getting that way.
Nurtured by 2 birds.
Nice clear brew.
You're in trouble for 2 birds.
Get a load of that.
Yeah.
Who's it got?
Quite nice.
Hash one.
The nest.
Yeah. Toasted.
I'll put some more info down here on that beer and where it's from and everything, but
Yeah,
let's enjoy it.
it leaves a good flavour in your mouth.
Nothing like being left with a bad taste in your mouth.
Bloody good brew.
It is. It's bloody nice. Actually, looks a lot like the old lager and Briglow lager that used to make Dad back in the day.
Yeah, a bit like that. Yeah. Bit more bouquet though, this.
Bouquet. Yeah, that's a bloody nice beer.
Yeah, it's tangy. Bit tangy.
I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
What do you reckon, mate?
Yeah, I reckon she's 8 out of 10. She's good stuff.
Well, there you go. You heard it from the best man I know. Me dad. Happy days. Go out and give it a go.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Drink responsibly. It's all good. See you next time.
Somewhere in the great outdoors.